Guys, we're riding down this median again, same highway, or county road actually, whatever. We're gonna go find a geocache that neither of us have found or hidden. It's somebody else's geocache, but it's a friend of mine's from school.
Actually,
so,
he doesn't even go to your school.
Well,
he was my school, bitch.
Well, we're all going to the same high school next year, so...
It don't matter.
So yeah, whatever. It's a friend of ours who hid this cache with his family. And
there's one we found.
Yeah, there's one that we found up there.
That's my find.
And yeah, we're gonna go find this cache. Hopefully.
You can find mine first, though.
I already found yours.
The other one? Okay.
I don't know.
I just posted one.
Okay, well, we're gonna go find some geocaches for sure. I don't know which ones, but we're gonna go find some.
Fine.
So, yeah. Arrived at one of Connor's geocaches. I already see it. An orange zip tie, like he always does.
I make it kind of obvious.
Yeah, he makes it kind of obvious, and it's not focused. That's okay. It's right here. See if I can get that. There we go. Yep. Let's open it and sign the logbook.
Shay is signing the logbook, and it's the same as yesterday. I placed this yesterday on...
I'm second to find again.
You get the second to find? Huh.
There's some mosquitoes.
I know. Placed this yesterday. It was terrible mosquitoes.
Let's say 20.
Huh?
20th?
Yeah.
Oh, mosquitoes. I hate mosquitoes. They suck. Oh my god. They're like people. We need to get them. It's another one of those geocaches that I made a video on how to make. Oh, soda bottle one. Oh, let's get out of here. There's mosquitoes. Top of this giant hill that we just biked up. We're not even all the way there. Sadly, that one geocache by Connor was the only one that we actually mosquitoes was the only one that we actually found. Sorry, there's stupid mosquitoes. I hate mosquitoes. That was the only one that we found, and yeah, so that was just a quick short video of a find. And yeah, I'm getting eaten alive by mosquitoes, so thumbs up the video if you enjoyed it. And
stay off drugs.